Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into SHIB once again. And before I talk about it, join me into the Discord if you guys wanna join the signals where I actually give calls based on the TA. Just pause this video, read about how to enter it. And Discord is free, by the way. It's not a premium thing, right? And guys, so what's going on with SHIB at this point of time? Now, SHIB itself hasn't really lost the structure. I'm going to tell you what's going on. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame. Yes, there's a little bit of a bearish pattern printing out at this point of time, and you can see that we're about to make a bearish engulfing candle or nearly a bearish harami candlestick pattern, and the 10 EMA on the 4-hour time frame is pushing the prices to the downside. Now remember that we still are trapped in a descending triangle, but there's a reason why this descending triangle might be a bearish one instead of actually going all the way up and breaking out and then going back to where you form it. It's simple. If you actually asked me about SHIB right now, I wouldn't make any decisions. I wouldn't do that and say that it's gonna go down or to the upside, but there's a reason why I think it's time for it to go down, and it's time for it to actually go to this technical target, which I'm going to show you right now. So you take the top to the bottom of that descending triangle. If this is where you're going to break out, then you're looking to actually go down to 2217. That's the technical target we're looking for. But why am I saying it's gonna break to the downside? Of course, we haven't broke to the downside, okay? We haven't lost this line just yet. We really haven't. If you actually go logically, you cannot say that we're gonna go down just yet unless we don't go down, backtest, fail, then we dump. But everything is looking bad. Look at Ethereum, okay? Look at Ethereum. We already have broken out of Ethereum. This is the first top, second top. You're looking to go down to 2473. Look at Bitcoin, right? Look at Bitcoin too. These are the two big force that actually drives these small coins to hell. Basically, you have a bear flag on the 1-hour time frame. You're looking to go down to 37414. What's the Bitcoin update into the channel? So what is the odd of SHIB to go to the upside? 20% and 80% of going to the downside. So what's the favor? 80%. So that's the reason why this Bitcoin and Ethereum losing support is just a big indicator and a big cheat sheet to SHIB actually losing it and going to go to the downside. And it does make sense. One thing it makes sense is that when you broke out of this symmetrical triangle, you never actually came back to retest this trend line. All you did is just you broke out impulsively, but you're not correcting. At least you're going to correct to this level, to this line right there. That would be actually good. That wouldn't be a problem. But we're going to talk about this one in the future, because if you start to break by nearly like 24 February here in 4 to 5 days, then coming down to 2200 would actually make you lose this trend line. Do you see that? You're going to lose the trend line, and that's not good. That's not good. You come down to 2200, then you're losing a trend line, and you could backtest and then continue with the downtrend all the way to this particular trend line. And that actually does make sense, because when you broke out of this trend line, what did you do? You never actually came down to retest it. If you actually look at this point of time, there's like left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. But the problem is that Bitcoin, again, guys, it's Bitcoin, right? So when you're trading SHIB, you cannot trade it without looking at Bitcoin, and that's the issue right there. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.